you're looking at a Hollywood-style action film, rain-soaked streets, a car chase through a tunnel, a rooftop explosion, a soldier sprinting through smoke. And I need you to understand something. Before we go any further, none of this came from a film studio. There was no director, no camera crew, no expensive software, and no editing team. This entire cinematic video was built by an automated AI workflow from the story to the final cut. And it took less than an hour. But here's what really matters. This system doesn't just make one video. It's a bulk automation, meaning once it's running, you can produce unlimited cinematic stories on demand, completely free, the same workflow, different story, every single time. Welcome to AIpreneur, and stay with me, because by the end of this video, you're gonna have this exact automation set up and ready to run on your own computer. We're going through 6 steps today, and I promise you, step 3 is something most creators have never seen before. This whole thing clicks the moment. Don't skip ahead, and let's start by the first step. Step 1, write your Hollywood story with ChatGPT. Everything in this automation starts with words. A strong story is the engine, and ChatGPT is going to write the whole thing for us in about 30 seconds. So open ChatGPT or any text-based AI you like. Claude and Gemini both work fine. And grab the prompt pack from the description right now, because we're about to use the first prompt. Paste it in ChatGPT and hit send. In seconds, you have a full Hollywood caliber story. Protagonist, antagonist, twists, climax, the whole thing. Now paste the second prompt. That described the images, scenes of the story. Those 20 scene descriptions are your production blueprints. Keep this tab open. We'll be pasting from it in every step that follows. Now run this character prompt once for your protagonist, once for your antagonist. You now have your story, your scenes, and your character blueprints, everything the automation needs to run. In the next step, I'm going to show you how to turn those text descriptions into stunning, consistent character visuals using a model most creators haven't even heard of yet. It's the secret to keeping your characters looking identical across every single scene, and it changes everything. Step 2, build characters in Google. Flow with Nano Banana 2. Open your browser and search for Flow by Google. Click the first result, then hit Create with Flow and open a new project. Now this is the important part for the image model. Select Nano Banana 2. It's their newest model, and the quality difference is immediately obvious. This is what produces those photorealistic film quality character sheets. So go back to ChatGPT, copy the full model sheet description for your protagonist. Let's call him Kale. Copy every word of it. Head back to Google Flow, paste it in, set your resolution to landscape, set outputs to 3 variations so you can pick the best one, and hit generate. What comes back is a full character sheet: front view, side profile, action pose, 5 expressions. And this sheet is everything. It's what keeps Kale looking exactly the same across all 20 scenes. Without it, the automation would generate a different looking character every time. Do the same for your antagonist. Download both images and name them clearly Kale, character sheet, and antagonist character sheet, because the next step is automation and clean file names matter. And speaking of the automation, step 3 is where this whole workflow becomes something most creators have genuinely never seen. I'm going to show you how to generate all 20 of your scenes automatically with a single click while you sit back and watch. That's next. Step 3, auto-generate all 20 scenes with AutoVeo. This is the core of the bulk automation. So open the Chrome Web Store and search for AutoVeo on Google Flow. Find the extension, add it to Chrome, and pin it to your toolbar. Click it, it'll ask you to navigate to Google Flow, so go there now. In the extension panel, select Image to Image. This is the mode that feeds your character reference sheets into every scene, so every image the AI generates will feature your exact characters, consistent every time. Upload Kale first, then your antagonist. Now under Maxi Input Images per prompt, set it to 2. That tells the tool both characters should appear in every scene. Now, here's where the automation magic happens. Go back to ChatGPT. Copy all 20 scene descriptions from scene 1 straight through to scene 20 and paste them into the extension's prompt box. Watch what happens. The tool reads each scene description as a separate prompt and queues them all up automatically. 20 scenes, 20 prompts, all lined up, ready to fire. Set outputs per prompt to 1. 1 image per scene is all we need. And before you hit run, do one thing first. Open Chrome settings and find the option that says ask where to save each file before downloading. Toggle it off. If you skip this, Chrome will interrupt every single download with a save dialog and completely break the automation. One small step that saves a massive headache. Now, go back to Google Flow, open the Control tab in the extension, and hit run. That's it. The automation is running. It's generating all your Hollywood action scenes one by one while you do absolutely nothing. This is what bulk cinematic story automation looks like. One setup, unlimited scenes, you just watch it work. And the results: rain-slicked streets, rooftop confrontations, explosions, car chases. They're stunning. Consistent characters, cinematic lighting, exactly the Hollywood energy we wanted. That's the one-click bulk automation, all 20 scenes, generated hands-free. But right now, these are still images. In next step, I'm going to show you how to breathe life into them with cinematic camera motion, slow dollies, hyper zooms, orbit shots, and how the automation assigns the right camera movement to each scene automatically. Don't stop now. Step 4, animate every scene with Meta AI automation. Open metaai.com. Now go back to the Chrome Web Store and search for Auto Meta, Automation for Meta AI, Chrome Web Store. Add it in the Chrome extension. When it's installed, open it. And from the panel of the extension, select Add Images and upload all scenes we just created with the VO automation tool. This is the mode that takes a still image and animates it into a video clip with a specific camera movement. Here's how we assign cinematic camera motion to every scene automatically. Go back to ChatGPT and paste this prompt. You'll get back a numbered list. Scene 1, handheld shake. Scene 2, slow dolly in. Scene 3, slow dolly out. Every scene matched to a camera movement that fits its mood. Copy scenes 1 through 20, go back into the Meta AI automation extension. Paste those camera prompts into the prompt box. The extension pairs each image with its matching camera prompt automatically. Scene 1 gets its handheld shake. Scene 4 gets its handheld shake. Every scene gets exactly the right motion. Go to the Control tab and click Start. Again, you're not doing anything. All 10 cinematic action clips generated and downloaded automatically. Story, characters, scenes, animation, all automated end to end. And there's one more thing I haven't mentioned yet. There's a single setting in the voiceover step that completely changes how the narrator sounds for an action story. I'll show you exactly what to type in the next step. Step 5, generate a cinematic voiceover with Google AI Studio. All right, now go back to ChatGPT and copy the full story text from step 1, the complete story, not the scene descriptions. Open Google AI Studio, find the text-to-speech tool, and select single speaker audio. Browse the voice list and pick something with weight and authority, a deep, confident narrator voice that fits a Hollywood thriller. Paste your story into the input box. Now here is the setting that changes everything, the style instructions field. In that field, type this instruction. This is what I mentioned earlier, the setting that turns a flat text read into a cinematic narrator performance. Click Run. In a few seconds, your voiceover is ready. Download the audio file. We're on the final step. Step 6, assemble everything together in CapCut. Now it's time to edit our story video. So open CapCut and create a new project. Import your voiceover and place it on the audio track. Import all 20 video clips and drag them onto the timeline in order scene 1 through scene 20. Now trim each clip so the action matches the narration. When the narrator describes the car chase, your chase scene is on screen. When he talks about the rooftop confrontation, that clip is playing. Keep the pacing tight. Add a chill action soundtrack underneath at around -18 decibels so it supports the mood without overpowering the narration. Use clean cut transitions between clips for action content. Hard cuts usually hit harder than fancy wipes. And drop bold animated captions on the key action lines. Lastly, export your video. And that's it. You are done. You just built a complete Hollywood-style AI action short, fully automated, from story to final cut with 6 steps and fully automated workflow, and unlimited cinematic stories on demand and for free. The first time you run the workflow, it might take an hour. The second time, half that. And once you're comfortable with it, you can batch multiple stories in a single session. If this helped you, hit like button right now. It genuinely helps this channel keep putting out free workflows. Subscribe so you don't miss the next automation I'm building. It's even more powerful than this one. And drop a comment below. What kind of AI story do you want to make first? See you in the next one. Keep building.